with the butterflies. Welcome to Easy Learn Academy, where learning is fun.
In the previous video, the revision sheet of grade 1, we have completed match the word with the appropriate picture in the part 1. So today we are going to continue in the part 2, match the long vowel with appropriate word. Okay, the long vowels are given and some words are given. The first, I will read the long vowels. The first one is na. The first one is na. The first one is na. Can you see? Yeah. The na I will match with nar. Nar means fire. I will match with nar. Can you see? Yeah. The long vowel is included in this word. So I'm going to match that. The next long vowel is ya. Yeah. So I'm going to match with khiyar. Khiyar means cucumber. Khiyar means cucumber. So the ya is included in that word. So I'm going to match with khiyar. The third one is you. 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 So I'm going to match with Goyum. Goyum means cloud. I am matched with Goyum. Okay, that long vowel in the second word Goyum. Okay, the next long vowel is no. No. So I'm going to match with kunus. Kunus. Here. Kunus. Okay. The next long vowel is ni. Ni. So I'm going to match with munira. Munira. Okay, the next long vowel is woo. Woo. And I'm going to match with Tawus. Tawus means peacock. Okay, the next long vowel is V. V. So I'm going to match with Tawil. Tawil means tall. Tawil means tall. Okay, now we are going to the next one. Yeah. Rearrange the following sentences correctly. Rearrange the following sentences correctly. Okay. The goal is to put the pronoun Anna means I first. Okay. Followed by the verb and the object. First you have to apply pronoun first. Then we have to followed by verb and object. Okay, look at the first sentence. The first sentence, it's given as a word because it's not arranged properly. We have to arrange. The first one is kiwi, kiwi. The second word is ohipu. The third word is ana. So I'm going to match now, rearrange now. The first one is ana. So I told the first we have to apply pronoun. So ana, the first one, ohipu, the second one, and kiwi is the third one. Okay, ana ohipu kiwi means I love kiwi. I love kiwi. Okay, the second one is in the second one, the first word is akulu, the second one is tamatam, the third word is anna. So we have to rearrange it. The first I will choose anna, the second I will choose akulu, The third I will choose tamatam. Okay, so the sentence is Ana akulu tamatim. Ana akulu tamatim means I eat tomatoes. I eat tomatoes. Okay, the next sentence is the word is given. So the next word is Dubai, and the next one is Oishu. Okay, Aishu, and the next one is fee. Fee. Okay, Aishu is given, and the next one is fee. So here Anna is not given, and we will consider Anna first. Okay, Anna. Next, Aishu. Aishu. Next, fee, and next Dubai. Okay, Anna, Aishu fi Dubai. I live in Dubai. Ana Aishu fi Dubai, or you can write Aishu fi Dubai. Okay. If we wrote Ana Aishu fi Dubai, I live in Dubai, or I live in Dubai. Aishu fi Dubai. I live in Dubai. Okay. I live in Dubai. Okay. Now we are going to the next part. Write the missing letters. So we will skip this because the all letters are already given. Okay, now we will going to the next one. Next, complete the missing letter. Here the sentence, the word is given and the picture is given. So in that word some letters are missing, so you have to find out and you have to write. The first one is the picture is, yeah, lemon. So in Arabic we will say laymoon. 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 Okay, the second one is, the word picture is given. The second one is hudhud. Hudhud. Okay, the third one is strawberry. So in strawberry we will say faravila. 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 And the last one is ant. So for the last one, namlat. Namlat. Namla. Yeah. Okay, the next we are going to do join the letters to make a word. Okay, the first one is the letters are given separately and you have to write join, and you have to write like this. The letters given like Q plus R plus C plus Y, and we have to join and we have to write Kursi. The second one is Asfar. A plus S plus Fa plus R, Asfar. The third one is Shy. Sheen plus Alif plus Ya. And the next one is Muthallath. Mu plus Tha plus Lam plus Tha. And the next one is Wajh. Wa plus Jim plus Ha. And the next one is Khiyar. Kha plus Ya plus Alif plus Ra. And the next one is Qalam. Qa plus Lam plus Mim, Qalam. And the next one is Amf. Alif plus Noon plus Fa. And the next one is Burud. Waw plus Ra plus Waw plus Dal. You have to join and you have to write the whole word. And the last one is noon plus ju plus wow plus meme. Nujum means stars. Okay, nujum. You have to join and you have to write in the answer column. And now we are moving to the next one. Write the word under the picture. Write the word under the picture. Okay. The first one is heart. The second one is face. No, the first one is hand. The second one is carrots. The third one is face. And the last one is heart. The first one is yedun. The first one is yedun, and the second one is khazarun, the third one is wajhun, and the last one is ohebo. Or you can write ohebo means love, you can write kolbun. Kolbun means heart. Okay, we will write as ohebo. Again I'm explaining. The first one is yadun, the second one is khazarun, the third one is wajhun, the last one is ohebo. Okay, now we will move to the next one. Write two sentences describing the picture. The two sentences describing the picture. The first one is, I can see the I letter and I can see I picture and I can see the banana picture. So we have to think and we have to make a sentence. We have to make a sentence. So I see bananas. I see bananas. So how we will write in Arabic? Ana ara mouse. Ana ara mouse. Okay, the second picture. I Next I can see one heart and the Dubai, the city Dubai. So I love Dubai. I love Dubai. How we will write in Arabic? Ana ohibbu Dubai. Ana ohibbu Dubai. I hope you understood this revision. It will help in the exams. So practice well. And if you like my video, please share, like and subscribe to my channel.